Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close look and try on the Phoenix Straps MOD Strap Stealth Black. So let's just take a look around the outside of the packet. So in this clear plastic packet is a Phoenix Straps British Ministry of Defence strap in Stealth Black with black PVD fittings or hardware, and this one has a 22mm size or 22mm width. And now let's go ahead and open up the packet by simply tearing it open and removing the strap from that clear plastic packet, and just giving you a look at this nylon NATO watch strap in black with the black PVD hardware, and just setting it on the tabletop as well, giving you that full and clear look. And now taking a much closer in look at its details, so we can see the weave of this black strap as well as the black PVD hardware. And taking a look along the length of the strap, and of course the thickness as well. And now let's go ahead and release the folded part of the strap. So just unfolding it to give you a fuller and more detailed look at this Phoenix Straps MOD strap in Stealth Black, and giving you a look at the metal fittings or hardware. And you can see there is some contrast detail with the laser etched Phoenix branding on the buckle. So giving you a look at that pin buckle, and with that Phoenix branding laser etched onto that black PVD pin buckle. And you can see that it does have a satin finish to the black PVD. And of course giving you a look at its thickness as well. And we can see that it is heat sealed for a stitch free and very durable finish. And giving you a look at the pinholes as well. They are heat sealed as well, and the edges of the strap is also heat sealed. So giving you a look at those details with the pinholes, the thickness and side of the edge of the strap, of course on the outer side. And taking a look at the tail or end of the strap, we can see that it is heat sealed as well, so rounded off. With that heat treatment to minimize or prevent any fraying to the strap. So giving you a sense, once again, of the strap's details. So let's unfold it further to give you a more complete look at this Phoenix Straps MOD strap Stealth Black. So the keepers, we can see fixed in position, and on the reverse side with that heat sealed and welded treatment to see that it stays secured and fastened to the nylon NATO strap. And of course the under strap as well. And right there, the overall details of the strap. And just to give you some sense of its pliability and flexibility, just twisting it about. And of course with the keeper as well, or the pin buckle, to give you some sense of that design right there. So up close details through and through for your reference. And now let's go ahead and try it on. So over here I have a Tudor Black Bay Ceramic Blue reference M79210 CNU-0007, which I've unboxed very recently on the channel. And of course it does have its factory hybrid leather and rubber strap removed, but it does retain the factory spring bars on it. So giving you a look at this 41mm case size or watch head. It does have a 14.4mm thickness to it. So now let's go ahead and strap the Phoenix Straps MOD strap Stealth Black right through, so giving you a look right there. So strapping it in from the 12 o'clock position on the watch and right through. I feel that I'm missing a step here, but that's correct. Let's go through to the 6 o'clock position, and of course with the under strap right there, going through right there, and there we have it. And I'm just going to slide the watch head slightly further up and away from that 6 o'clock position keeper to minimize any contact right there with the lugs. So of course the lug width of the watch is 22mm as well, or the gap spacing between the lugs is 22mm to go with this 22mm wide strap. So giving you a look right there, up close, and on the underside as well. And of course the profile, but once again just trying to get a higher up fitment. So we're just going to put it more properly right there at the maximum top position on the strap. Okay, so there we have it, properly fitted. The Phoenix Straps MOD strap, Stealth Black with the Tudor Black Bay Ceramic Blue watch head on it. So right there, giving you an all-round look at the details of the strap with the Tudor Black Bay Ceramic Blue on it. So just setting it down as well to give you a bit of sense, once again, of the strap with the watch head fitted onto it, and on the reverse side as well. And once again, an up-close shot. And you can see the details fully murdered out strap with that contrasting Visa Blue dial of the watch. Okay, now let's go ahead and try it on. I do have a 16.75 centimeter circumference size wrist, or 6.5 inches. So let's strap the strap right through and onto my wrist, and giving you some sense of the strap remainder or pin position, where I'll be pushing through and finding that right pin position. So you can see slightly loose on that one, but now going further in by 1 point and just pulling the strap right through and tucking it back down through the keeper at the 12 o'clock position right there. So right there, giving you an overall look with the strap fitted onto my wrist. So once again, an approximately 6.5 inch circumference size wrist, or 16.75 centimeters, and with the Tudor Black Bay ceramic blue watch head fitted together with the strap right there. So giving you those up close details of the strap with its black PVD fittings or hardware. Okay, and now let's go ahead and take the strap off by popping the tail off the keeper and undoing the pin buckle. So there we go, another look at the strap with the watch on it. So that's the Phoenix Straps MOD strap, Stealth Black. Thanks for watching and happy strapping!